Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to create an EC2 instance in AWS. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type EC2. Click on EC2 dashboard. Then click on Launch Instance. Now enter a name for your instance. Select an Amazon Machine Image, AMI. In this example, I'll choose Amazon Linux AMI. Then choose the instance type. Here, I'm selecting T2.micro, which is free tier eligible. After that, you need to create a key pair. If you don't already have one, you must create a new key pair to securely access your instance. Now scroll down to Network Settings. Select a subnet if you're using a custom VPC. Next, create a security group. You can either create a new one or use the default security group. You may also modify other settings based on your needs. Once everything is set, click on Launch Instance. After launching, go to View All Instances. Select your newly created instance and click Connect to access it. That's it. Your EC2 instance is now up and running.